guys, we're back, and looks like we need to do a load of this stuff. Dang it. Okay. So we need to fend our pups now. They need to eat too, so we trained our pups. Like right after I ended the other video, part 4. I actually had to, literally like it say you like passed it, so that's what I'm assuming, because yeah. Okay. Do you think that when the baby wolves howl, like it gives away they're a pup, or no, probably not? I wouldn't think so. I don't think so, because see. I think it shows a pack of 6. I want to keep this like area like marked. Why can I go? I just want to peel around it. Just to mark. I mean, it does do percentages. Yes, it's 100%, guys. Howl on 100% marked. Let's just mark it more, just to be safe. I'm just marking right close by the den. I want to pee on this pup. This pup is mine. Oh, missed. Ooh, I need to pee on my pups. Oh, I peed on. I'm peeing on your pups. Yes. Oh, it's like okay. Oh no, there's a grizzly bear, guys. He's gonna get a big butt whooping of mom. Big butt whooping. That's what you're gonna get, Mr. Bear. Big butt whooping. Now leave. Don't make me, Mr. Bear. I will bite your butt. If I have to, I will bite your butt. Oh no, you didn't, mister. You're not stopping Furious Mom. Gotta get back to her. No! Be right up by them. I told you, leave. Get your butt whooping today. It's Furious Mom. Furious Mom mode. He's around here. Guys, I don't think the bear's not scared by my marks and howls, but like, you have to get prepared for before they come, because if you're not prepared before they come, then they will not be scared. By the way, guys, my territory is not 100% marked. Literally, my territory is, oh, I need to go over there. It's literally like 100%. Well, it's 99 right now. It's hard to keep it 100%. Oh no, you didn't, Mr. Butt. No! He's not gonna get them this time. Die, leave. I do not care if I'm dead. Leave. I died. So see you guys in the next part, okay? See you next time. Bye!